Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's Tom over at Gas, and today in the workshop we've got a Range Rover which needs a new offside front window glass. So I think it's about 2015 maybe. If we just look at the driver's side glass, you can see it's cracked. So we've got a new bit of glass to fit in. Yeah, it's just cracked on one side, double glazed. So yeah, in order to replace it, we've got to start off by removing the door card. So it's the first time we've removed one of these door cards. If we have a look, it looks like there may be a screw behind there. So we'll pull that out in a minute and have a look. And then if we open up the storage compartment, I can see two screws in there. Normally door cards, they've all got some little plastic rivets all the way around, clips to hold it in place. So we'll get these screws out and then we'll see if we can get it off. So nice and easy to get the door card off. There was a screw in the side, one underneath, one where the door handle was, and then the two main bits, which you need a Torx 30 screwdriver bit. When we unpop the door card, make sure to always use plastic wedges. You don't want to be scratching up any customer's trim or your own car's trim. So important to get some plastic trim tools. And yeah, it just pops off. So if you look on the back, you can see all the clips that hold it in. All the way around. just one multi-plug. This one there, just unplugged off there, and then the door handle cable. So yeah, now we'll tackle the glass. So normally there'll be some little like an inspection hole which you can remove. Not quite sure how Land Rover have theirs, but we might start by whipping the speaker off, having a look behind there, possibly something behind this little control unit maybe. But yeah, we'll have a look. So we've got the speaker out, lowered the glass slightly, but still can't get to the right hand side. Remove that, nothing behind there. So I think what we'll have to do is actually remove this cover and then have another look. So now we've got the trim off. Obviously we can see the whole glass. So yeah, you need a T30 Torx bit all the way around. Wasn't sure if the regulator was bolted to that piece, but no, it's separate. So yeah, that bit comes out to do the glass. I've took this trim off, just unplugged the speaker, just clips on, just gives us a bit more room. And I'm taking the glass out and just pulled this rubber off, just to give us a little bit more room. These clips, it feels like the glass is just, feels like you just pull them apart with your hand and slide the glass out. So yeah, don't look too bad. So I'll do that now. So we've got the glass out nice and easy. Just these little plastic clips in the back. Just pull them back slightly with your hand. And then yeah, just a little plastic lug on there which goes through the glass. The old glass, plastic that goes through there. Yeah, you can just see it's cracked from the bottom all the way up to the top. So yeah, we'll just put the new bit of glass in now, and then put the door card back on. So that's the glass all in. Hope you've enjoyed this short video, and hope it's helped some of you out if you wanted to tackle the job yourself. But yeah, not too bad of a job. Just need some Torx 30 screwdriver bits, and yeah, all done. Glass is all in. Give it a clean, get it all back together. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to our channel, and we'll keep uploading some more footage for you all.